name's Jade. Welcome to my channel. If you're new or if you're returning, then welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my monthly Degustabox unboxing. Now I know that by the time this goes up it will be August, so I'm a little bit late uploading this, but this is the July Degustabox. I'm going to be showing you guys what was in July's box. So for this month, for July, the theme is summer. So we've got some really nice things in here. So on the back of this one, in this month's box, there's some recipes for a few of the ingredients that are in the box. So that is quite nice. So let's have a little look and see what was in the box for July. So in this month's box, it says there's a gift. So I don't think this is like an item that was meant to be in here. Like, it's a gift, if that makes sense. So we have some sauces, I think. Yep, some sauces from the Skinny Food Company. Now I've heard of these a lot. I see them a lot over on Instagram, and we have got some cute little gifts. So we have mayonnaise, we've got garlic mayo, we have white chocolate flavour syrup, okay, and we also have a tomato ketchup. So just some little sauces in there, some little sample size. So yeah, that's really nice. So the first thing that I have seen in my bag are these Manny Life peanut butter. So these are again just little sample sizes. You get 2, and these are available to buy at Sainsbury's, I believe. Let me have a little look at my little sheets. These little pots are 60p, and they're available to buy at Sainsbury's, Waitrose, Ocado, and MannyLife.com. So I have an original roast crunchy peanut butter, and then we have a deep roast crunchy a peanut butter. I actually do like peanut butter. I'm not a huge fan of peanut butter, but I don't mind it on like some toast or like in a smoothie or something, like in a smoothie bowl, or like with some granola and porridge. So I'm excited to try those. Might have them for breakfast one day. Okay, so the next thing, I'm just literally going in and picking things off the top. We have a Premier Protein chocolate brownie flavour, like a protein bar. Like, ooh, this looks and sounds really nice. So this is a chocolate brownie flavoured protein bar from Premier Protein. This is £1.49. We believe in feel-good energy to help you achieve your health and well-being goals. So it's packed with 20 grams of protein in there and 1.3 grams of sugar. Great post-workout or on-the-go snack, or perfect pick-me-up. And they also do it in 3 flavours. So the chocolate brownie, chocolate peanut butter, and white chocolate vanilla. And it says they're only available in Ocado and WH Smith Travel. So yeah, they look really nice. I'm sure I will enjoy that. The next thing is these plant pops. These are popped lotus seeds. These are £1.50. These plant pops are the new way to snack. Made with sustainably harvested lotus seeds, popped and roasted before being tumbled with ground peanuts for a subtle peanutty taste. They're a sweet, salty and crunchy snack. Now that sounds interesting. Never heard of anything like this before. It's available on Amazon, on their website, so plantpopsnacks.com, the vegan kind supermarket, Harvey Nicks and Budgeons, Wonders and Budgeons. So yeah, they're vegan, they're 100% vegan, gluten-free. So yeah, that's probably why I've never really heard of anything like this, because I don't really tend to eat obviously vegan food because I'm not vegan, but I will eat these. These sound really nice. So yeah, I'm actually intrigued. I feel like I want to open them and try one. Oh yeah, you can actually smell the peanut butter. So they look weird. They look like, watch, I'm going to end up eating this and probably not even going to like it, but they look so weird. Like, kind of just, you know what it kind of just looks like, tastes like like a rice cake, like in a little bowl. Oh yeah, I like those. So then next we have the Natvia Sweet Natural Living 100% natural source sweetener. Now I have this, I think I have this as downstairs because I like to use sweetener in my bakes sometimes, my coffees and my teas rather than having sugar. So this is 0 calories per serving. This is £5, but it is 300 grams and this literally lasts a long time. It just says quitting sugar is easy with Natvia, a great tasting sweetener made from 100% naturally sourced GMO free ingredients. Created from a unique blend of stevia, Natvia tastes sweet with no aftertaste. So it's crafted for baking and cooking, and it's also a great companion for coffee and tea. And you can get this, this is available to buy in Tesco, Ocado, Tree of Life and Health Food Store. Never heard of that before. Now the one thing that I was so excited for when I read the little leaflet of what you get, this is probably the most exciting thing in this box because I absolutely love sweets. And you get, is it the Babito Party Mix Fizzy Gummy Mix. I am obsessed with sweets. I literally love sweets so much. I've got such a sweet tooth. So these sweets are the Babito Party Mix Tub. Mixed gummy, fizzy coated. Treat yourself and enjoy the party. The fastest growing brand in the UK, it says, and these are available in Morrison's selected Spar stores and Best Ways. Best Ways, is that like a little, that's a little shop, isn't it? Like a little off license. So they're not, you know, they're not available all around. Oh, I'm gonna have to eat one of these guys. Look at all them sweet. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to have this, no, this one. These are my favourite. Oh my god, these are my ultimate favourites. They don't taste like the original blue and pink sweets, guys, but still nice. Oh yeah, let's put those down before I eat the whole box. So we have, this is Minor Figures Coffee, a Nitro Cold Brew Mocha. Oh my god, I can't read. Mocha. So it says, so we source the best in seasoned tea and coffee, and our slow brew process captures the purity and depth of ingredients. The result is a light dairy-free drink. Dairy-free. Ooh. Ooh. Cascading coffee, oat milk and cocoa, brewed in East London, so no dairy. So I believe it's got oat milk in there. And it says when opened, the nitrogen is released to create the silky microfoam. So you can pick these up in Whole Foods, you can pick these up Planet Organic, Sourced Market, As Nature Intended, Ocado, W.H. Smith's Travel, and Holland and Barrett, and Nationwide Independence. So these are $1.95 per can. $1.95 isn't bad. I'm really excited to try that. So if you are dairy free and you love a coffee, then these would be perfect because they have oat milk in them. So yeah, I'm excited to try that, guys. I literally love my coffee. I'm a bit of a coffee addict. So we have some beer. We have, is I think pronounced, I believe, Prava. I think it's a silent H, so Prava. It's a lighter tasting Pilsner. So what is this then? Is it lager? I don't even know. I'm not really like, I don't know anything about alcohol. Discover Prava. Prava has all the bold iconic flavour of a high quality Czech Pilsner, yet is unexpectedly crisp, light, refreshing. So it's brewed in the UK and it's available in all major supermarket chains. Never heard of this before. I'm guessing it's some sort of like lager, but I don't know. But that's interesting. I probably won't drink this because I'm not really a huge beer fan, but I'm sure James will enjoy this. This is £2, and how much do you get in this? It's like a 660ml, so it's quite a big bottle. So yeah, exciting. So you get a nice beer in there. So next we have the Wonder, the alternative to milk. It's high in protein, epic in everything. Pour it, froth it, drink it and cook with it. So it's a vegan. This is a pea protein drink with added vitamins and calcium. Okay, obviously never tried anything like this before. It's a milk alternative, so if you're dairy free, this will be perfect for you. It says the Wonder, a delicious dairy free alternative to milk that is high in protein and epic in everything. The Wonder, fully versatile. You can use it in exactly the same way you use milk, so it's wonderfully nutritious, high in protein, low in sugar, and fortified with vitamins A, D, B2 and B12. So this is actually not in stores at the moment. It says here it's launching in 2021, so you can't get it yet. I guess that's one good thing about these Degustaboxes, is that you'll get products that are probably not released yet, so new things that you get to try before they go on the shelves. So that is really interesting. I probably would use this in something like in my pancakes, maybe in my coffee, I don't know. But yeah, I'm excited to try that. So next we have Nesquik all natural milkshake powder. Oh, I've not had a Nesquik milkshake in, I don't know, since I was like young. So this is £1.89. It's available in Tesco's and Sainsbury's. It's made from just 5 natural ingredients, including natural raw cane sugar. Nesquik All Natural contains absolutely no artificial flavourings or sweeteners, but still has the chocolatey taste that kids love. Great news, the paper packaging is fully recyclable and plastic free. Made from natural ingredients, so that's fab. So I think Harrison would absolutely love this. The last thing in the box, guys. Now this looks really, really good. If you like pancakes like me, I absolutely love pancakes, then you will love this next thing in here. So we have some Golden Creek maple syrup blended with sugar syrup, and it's Canadian, so it's proper Canadian golden syrup. And I've never actually had like Canadian golden syrup. I hear it's the best golden syrup you can get is from Canada. So it's a blend of pure dark Canadian maple syrup and liquid sugar. Golden Creek is ideal as an accompaniment to pour over your favourite desserts like pancakes, waffles, ice cream. Golden Creek is perfect for you if you love maple syrup as a fraction of the cost. So it's only £2.50. That is actually not bad. So good thing it's available on Ocado and Home Bargains. Home Bargains. That is really good. So you can get this at Home Bargains, £2.49. Absolutely fantastic. I feel like that was a really good box this month. There's some really nice things there, and I'm really excited to go and eat all my new goodies. The Degustabox is £12.99 a month, so every month you will receive a box full of all sorts of lovely little goodies, stuff that are probably not on the shelves yet, stuff that are brand new, like from brands that you can try before you buy them, I guess. So yeah, I do have a discount code and you can save yourself £3 off a Degustabox, or I'll leave my code on the screen here for you guys, and also in the description box as well. But I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, make sure that you do give it a massive big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave also, because it really helps me out and supports me, and it means the absolute world to me. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye, guys.